today I'm here with a very special guest. This is my beautiful niece, Sophia, and she's going to be sharing a tremendous tea with us today.
So it's a digestive chamomile tea. So it has fennel, anise, honey, and chamomile.
So these ingredients are very great. When you use these ingredients together, they're great for relaxing your digestive tract. So if you're suffering from any bloating after eating, or if you find yourself to be gassy after eating, or even if you have a baby and the baby is colicky, that means the baby's not able to digest, it's not digesting food properly. So just giving even 2 to 3 ounces of this tea to the baby is going to help tremendously. But these ingredients are great for just relaxing, and this is something that you can have every single day. Alright, now that we let the tea, we steeped it for 3 minutes and we took the tea bags out. So we're just gonna dress them up with some honey and optional almond milk. You like to put almond milk in yours, right? Why do you like it?
Because it makes the tea sweeter.
So it's just like a little splash of almond milk or milk of your choice.
Alright.